Hey guys, welcome to Braid Hairstyle. We're going to do a Topsy Tail braid. Let's get started.
Okay, to begin this braid, you can see I've just parted off kind of a circular ponytail on top and just put in an elastic. And then this center ponytail is damp. I've sprayed water on her hair to keep this part smooth. So what the first step is you're going to want a lot of elastics, and you're just going to ponytail this center section off in small little sections all the way down to the end. Okay, now that you've got this all elasticed off, take a Topsy Tail. You can just get this at the grocery store, Walmart or Target for a couple bucks. Take the pointy end, and I'm just going to use it to part off a section just level with this first elastic. And get it combed smooth with my fingers. And then I'm going to take the pointy part again, and I'm going to slide it through halfway in the depth of that thickness of this ponytail. And get my hair through the loop. And then I'm going to hold on to it tightly and just pull that through. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So part off. Okay, once you got that smooth, and you're going to take the part you sectioned off before and lift it up and slide the Topsy Tail back through. You can pull that snug so it's not going to move. So holding on to both pieces, just going to stick your fingers back through that Topsy Tail, pull that hair out, and then you're just going to slide it through on top of the other side. Okay, then you just continue doing the same thing. Part it off level to the next section, but you're going to be picking up the hair that came through here. So again, put my Topsy Tail halfway through, pick up the hair, pull it through the loop, holding this tight, holding onto this ponytail, pull it through, and repeat on the other side, picking up the hair that you brought down before. Picking out this side as well, and then sticking your Topsy Tail back through where it was. Sometimes it would be helpful to have more than one hand or two hands. And then just pull that hair through the loop and pull it back through over on top, like so. And then you just continue this all the way down until all the hair is pulled in from her head. Okay, now I've got all the hair pulled in from her head. So now I'm just going to do the same thing, just not pulling hair in from her head. So I'm just going to keep putting the Topsy Tail through half of the hair and just continue weaving that through, just like I did up above, all the way down to the end. Okay, I've just pulled through the last section of the ponytail. So now just to finish this off, I'm just going to take one more elastic and just bring it down even with the middle one. And just put in one more elastic like this. And then as a final touch, you can just come up to these little sections here and just pull those out. Okay, and that is our finished Topsy Tail braid.
Hey, thanks for watching. Subscribe here and watch these videos.